Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're taking a break from working on the Eclipse and we're going to be putting in a radio into Izzy's new Jetta.
So today we're going to be putting a different radio in my daily pretty much. So we can go ahead and get started on that. For the Mark 5s, they're a lot different than the Mark 4s, which is I'm used to, but I've done it once before, so we'll go ahead and get started.
Wow, what are you doing now? It should probably be plugged in too, but it's not.
It's okay. Nobody needs that. I don't know.
No wire in there. There's just one screw somewhere in here.
Knowing this car is probably
right
gone. Is it a Phillips or?
No, it's a Torx. Yeah, it's right down there. It's like the smallest Torx they have.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Alright, that just kind of snaps off. We've received intelligence that there are a few more screws.
Hey, what kind of radio are we putting in today?
A Shimizu 5000.
Hey, what kind of radio are we really putting in today?
It is a touchscreen Android radio.
What? Where'd you get it from?
Some idiot just decided to give it to me.
Wow, that's crazy, huh?
I'm just using it. How about we just do them both at the same time?
It's not this one.
Oh, that wouldn't be good.
Yeah, I know.
See that, guys? That's why you try to watch a YouTube video on how to do things before you do them.
Oh, you're a funny guy. Now you gotta unscrew the radio. There's 4.
2.
Yeah. What
3,
else is there?
4. Oh. Alright guys, now we got the 4 bolts taken out. We're just gonna pull it out. All professional like. And there it is, guys. The old radio is out.
Hey, what did you just do?
How'd
you do that?
To Ross's help. Does it have a fuse in it?
I'm sure it does.
Alright.
Doesn't need a fuse.
This is for sale for $10.
Should send it to a fan for free.
Yeah, if you guys comment your addresses, comment your social and your address, we'll send you stuff.
And your bank account number.
Oh, it's got dogs, dude?
Dude, it's got everything. Just don't play around.
I'm just not gonna, I don't know where I'm gonna stick
It's got a TV on it.
Now, after we tested the radio, we are going to put it back in. I'm sure you were expecting it, but we're gonna put it back in. Taras was saying I should be able to, so I'm gonna go ahead and call Taras.
I don't know my phone on me.
Go to your phone and grab it.
Hello. Who's this? Good job, man.
To you, man.
How does it feel that you're officially a car mechanic?
Okay guys, and now is how to install a radio into a Mark 5 Jetta. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a Mark 4 Jetta build coming up as well, which I'm gonna do a lot of content on. Comment anything you want to see us do, and thank you for watching.